Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am trying to speak as much loudly as I can because I think there is some problem with the audio of my camera, so please bear with me. Or if you think that this my voice is low, please bear with me because I'm gonna give a voiceover that doesn't make a sense in this type of video, but still I wanted to do this video from a very long time, so please bear with me in the video. So in today's video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create the I tried following this YouTuber video which is like very trending these days on like internet. I have seen many videos and I have seen people are basically following their favorite YouTuber style to do their makeup, and you can see it from my look also that this is not the usual thing. This is literally a very crazy idea. I don't know who started this trend, but this is really a crazy yes type of idea. I really like the idea, so I tried. So I obviously tried doing it. Please tell me in the comment section if you like the video or not, or if you want me to do another such type of video, because this YouTuber I forgot to mention the YouTuber I tried to follow is Jaclyn Hill. She's one of my favorite YouTuber. I have seen her videos from like now it's like from 5 to 7 to 8 years. Like I have been watching her. She has the craziest, since she has the glow on her skin is so remarkable, and her skin, her makeup, it's so flawless and so good. I cannot even start to explain. So yes, she's my favorite YouTuber and I'm gonna follow her. I'm gonna do it her way, which is literally insane. I might not be able to do that good. Obviously I won't be able to do that good, but please bear with me and see if I can at least recreate that look. So let's just jump into the video and do some makeup and following. I tried to follow Jaclyn Hill video.
I'm gonna prime my
So
face right
Jacqueline
now.
starts always with the primer on her face. So I'm gonna do it obviously her way. I'm gonna use this
Those
Smashbox
have
primer
got to go
on
first
my
then,
face.
because
I'm
those are
dotting
gonna
it
get in
all
there real quick.
all
So
over my face,
let's just get in
and
there,
then
set up
I'm
peak
gonna
and nice
massage it
face.
on the
Shall we?
face,
Recently, I have been
and I'm
using
gonna be
the
real quick in
Hourglass
it because
Advantage Stick
she is
Foundation,
really
and
fast
I
in her
decided
makeup.
to
So
pat
the
my
primer
face.
is
This is in my color
massaged
foundation
on
routine.
the
And honey,
face,
you know
and
mama
now I'm
likes that
gonna
full
use my
coverage
Makeup
look. So let
Forever
me just
foundation because it has full coverage, just like the one she's having. I don't have that foundation, so I'm gonna use this foundation and blend it with this beauty blender, which is like the same. Jacqueline and I own the same Morphe beauty blender, which I really enjoy because this beauty blender, it really has that thing which she always rave about. It blends your makeup like a dream of you.
I'm gonna grab
So
the
instead of
Tatcha Luminous
Tatcha
Dewy
Luminous
Skin Mist, and
spray,
this is the way I
I'm
have
gonna
been
use this MAC
applying my
Fix
foundation
Plus and
recently. I
apply
like
it on my
soak
beauty blender,
my
and then I'm gonna press all the foundation which I did on my face onto my skin. This way, I really feel hydrated. Now for the concealer, obviously I'm gonna use a different concealer, which is by Maybelline Fit Me range.
Jacqueline goes insane with her concealer. She's like into full coverage of concealers. So I'm gonna do the same. Like it was
consistency is definitely different than any
this.
concealer that I have tried in a long time. Like,
So
she
obviously I'm
definitely
not
didn't
I,
like
I never used
steal a
this
formula
much
from anyone, you know what I'm
concealer
saying?
under
Like,
my eyes,
this
but I'm
honestly
gonna
feels like
use
she
it
wasn't
for the
inspired
sake
by
of the
anyone at all.
video.
This is
I don't know I'm
very
gonna like it
unique.
or
It
not, but
almost
I'm
feels like
definitely going to
paste
try
when it
this
goes
because
on.
she
It does
obviously
feel a little dry
she
and pasty, so I'm gonna
goes
take my
with
beauty
it with
sponge and I'm gonna
insane
put a
amount
little
of
bit of the
concealer.
Tatcha
So we are
Luminous
going to
Dewy Skin
paint our face with this concealer, and I'm looking really weird with this concealer all over my face, but it's okay. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this, making trees and leaves and branches on all my face.
Never concealed that much. Never ever. It's like too tough.
Oh my god, I'm crazy right
Obviously,
now. It's
with that
definitely
amount
full
of
coverage.
concealer,
Like, this
even
is
I'm
gonna for
looking
sure make my
crazy. But I
face look like
forgot
excellent.
something that is to blend, and now I'm gonna blend it.
Let's just
I
blend
was
it.
Give it to me nasty. Just cover
I
it
was
up.
actually watching the
Definitely.
video side by
This again
side,
in my nude
but
I forgot to put on this eye.
I have had 5 men here since
that's a
8
lot,
a.m.
lot of
working on it, and
concealer.
they're
Let's just
still
blend it out
here right
very
now. Like, I'm
quickly,
just telling you,
and I'm gonna moving this
trust. Like, this is a brand new house, and the AC
video
just like works on
obviously
like
forward. I'm fastening it up, and I'm gonna blend this up real quickly.
I never use it with my beauty sponge, which is the way I've been applying powder recently. Ooh, yes.
I
It's so
cannot
nice, and
apply
it's
my
like
powder with a
really
beauty
sheer.
sponge,
It's not like
but
covering
that's like a
all.
trauma.
I
I
like
cannot
my
dip
powder
my
to be
beauty
really
sponge.
sheer because I
Like
like
a damp
a
product in the
full
beauty
mask of
sponge is like
foundation
a
with a
really
sheer powder over
uh,
top. I mean, the fact that
nightmare
to
for
use that to
me.
set
But I'm gonna
my
do it
under
her
eye
way
area.
because I'm trying to
So now I
follow
have on
her,
my full mask.
obviously.
It literally looks like this is like
I still
a
don't
butt
have my
cheek.
full mask,
Like,
so I think I have to pause that
what is
video.
that?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna go in and do my brows real quick.
I'm gonna
Everyone does
now
their brows differently, so I'm
do
gonna
the
just cut this out
same.
of the video.
Obviously I'm going to apply this powder underneath my eyes
This
from the
out
Cat
of the
1D
video.
shade. Let's just do this first and then go
I'm
forward.
back, like I
I'm back,
promised. Looking scary. I wiped the foundation
looking
off of my
scary.
lips, but they are feeling a little chapped, so I'm just gonna throw them some gloss really quick. Okay, so the first
Let's just take off the foundation like her and then use
thing I'm
this
gonna do
Nivea
on
lip
my eyes
balm
is go in with a bright
to
red
moisturize the
cream
lips.
shadow base to really make everything
I'm gonna
pop.
use,
This is by
so
Makeup Geek
she
right
said
here
in
in the
her
shade
video
Poison.
that you
I
can
don't even
use a
know
liquid lipstick
if
also. So
these are
I am
still
going to use the
sold by Makeup
lipstick,
Geek or if they were
but I
discontinued, but you
can
can
tell
use
you that
anything red
the
and
color
creamy. I think
was really
NYX has
different.
some, and they're
So
very
my lipstick
inexpensive.
was
You
kind
can
of
honestly even use a
having
red
the pink
lipstick or a
undertone,
liquid lip
but
balm
her
because they
lipstick,
blend out pretty
it was
quickly.
like
I'm just gonna pick this
more
up
of a
and just
burgundy
begin to
shade
pat it
that is more
all
of a
over
deep red. I
my
can say that deep
entire
red in
lid.
maroon mixture.
As I'm doing this, I'm
So
not gonna keep
mine
my
was
eye like
like
kind of
a kind of
saggy like this.
pinky
I'm gonna
shade
like pull up my
red.
eyebrow really high
So
and really
the
intense
the look
so I have
might
no
change
wrinkles in
from
my
this
lids
point
and
on,
I can really see every
only,
single thing that
obviously.
I'm doing. That way that cream doesn't settle in any of
I'm
those
gonna
lines and I
do
can
it
really
the
see
same.
exactly where I'm
Obviously, I'm
placing
gonna
it.
pack this
So right now
red
you can see
color
it's all over
on
the
my
lid.
lid
I'm gonna bring
area,
that lower
like
lash
the
line
same way she
and I'm gonna
is
bring this
doing it,
up
and
with my
I'm
powder
just
crease a
going
little
to.
bit
I'm
higher so that
obviously
you can really
blending it
set
up.
this
You can
look.
see this. This I'm taking this color all over the upper crease of my eye, so that the crease won't look like unblended type, should not have that unblended type of appearance. I cannot use that dense color, but obviously I'm using it with the lipstick, so there is a little bit of difference in the color. I'm gonna use the Sigma brush. I'm gonna do the same type of pack color packing which she was saying that it is used to like even out the crease area or make the crease look more like blended up, and there are no like harsh lines. For the lipstick there are no harsh lines, but we're gonna move
Okay, so now I'm
forward
gonna
and use
grab
this
some
Laura
translucent
Mercier
powder. I am just going
translucent
to put
powder,
this right underneath my eye because we're gonna be going in with a
and
lot
I'm
of
gonna do the
dark,
same.
intense, vibrant colors, and I don't want it to ruin the base that I have put all over my face.
I'm gonna
Oh my god, it looks
obviously
so good. Okay, so for
do the
today's
same.
look, I'm going to be using the
Hold on. I'm still doing it because this is like she's so fast in her makeup. I cannot do it that fast. I have to be like fast forwarding the video every single time I do these crazy things. Please don't mind. I'm talking to my friend about something, and it was really funny. I was really
place this right
controlling my
along the upper
laughter.
area where we blended that cream shadow
So I'm going
out,
to use
just to
this,
give
I
it that
guess this is
warmth and make sure that it is working
F45 by Sigma.
perfectly.
I just link
This
it down
brush is much
and I'm going to
stiffer than
blend the
I'm
crease
used to,
area. I use
but
the
I
same
don't
creamsicle, I
hate
guess,
it.
shade,
And might
and I'm going to
go
blend that
in
crease
with
area
something a little bit
very
looser and fluffy.
finely, giving circular and back and forth motions as good as possibly I can do, because I really like to have my crease area blended and flawless.
It's right here, which is a
I
matte
just
burgundy red.
Now I'm gonna go with the MAC 212 brush and pack the color on my lid area and concentrate it obviously on
Okay,
my
so I'm gonna go
outer
back in now with that number
areas,
13 brush from Kylie, and I'm gonna pick up a
and
little bit of the
then
shade Hunts
I am
right here
taking
in my
it a
palette.
little bit
I'm
on
just
the
gonna go
lid,
right
and
over
basically I'm on the
that
outside. And
edge.
now I'm going to use the Sigma brush. I'll link
I will
it
say
down
Sigma
which
brushes
brush
pick
is
up
this.
a
And
shit
I
ton of
am
pigment,
going to
much
do
more
the
than a
same
typical
motion.
natural
And
hair
I'm like
would.
giving the
They're also
gradient
very
effect on
compacted
the
with bristles.
upper,
They're very
like
stiff, which is gonna
upper
pick up like
crease of the eye,
a
but not
lot. I'm
upper
gonna
than
continuously go
the
back and
crease
make
color,
sure
which was the
this is
creamsicle, I
completely
guess.
blended out,
Yes, and
barely
I
touching it,
am
just super, super
barely
light.
touching the super,
So we get
giving
that
super
pinky,
light
harsh,
motions,
blunt
and
lines
I'm
at
going
the
to
edge.
just blend up
Okay,
the
so now I'm going to go
edges.
back in with the Kylie concealer in the shade
But I'm
Stone, and I'm going to pick
first
her
taking
brush in
this
number 14.
crease
I'm going
brush
to
to clean
carve
up my
out a little
crease, or
area in the inner
crease,
corner of
not
my
crease,
eye
it's
where I
crease,
can go in with some
and I'm
shadow and
giving
glitter.
this
So I'm going to put on
gradient effects to my eyeshadows. And now that I feel that I need to blend it out a little bit from the outside, I'm blending it up. And now I think
my
it's
hand.
time to
I'm gonna
go for a
just scoop
concealer,
that up,
which
and I'm
I
just gonna
am
go in
going.
and pat this
But
area. This brush is
the
definitely
video is,
bigger
I
than what
guess,
I would
not
typically
recorded
use with
properly.
this, but
But I think I'm going to
we'll
show you
see
a
what
close up
happens right
in
now.
a bit.
Lord be with us.
Lord be with me.
Okay.
I don't know the point of using this
I'm gonna
brushes
go
when
in with
she's not
Morphe
so satisfied with it.
M201, and it's just a smaller, stiffer brush. So I
Like
still just
making my
don't like
video
pack the
so
punch that I
long.
need, and it's just better for what I'm doing.
Yes, my brush is packing a good bit.
I'm gonna go in with
Yes, 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 carving out. I told you she's really, really fast in makeup. I don't know if she's faster with makeup or I am too slow with the makeup. And now you can see this. I am packing this concealer. Like I am not really very good in the
the
categories.
shade
I
Queen
I
right
don't
here,
do
which is
it
this
much
true
because I
gold
like
shade from
the
my palette. So I'm gonna
full
on it, and I'm just going
effect
to
of the
tap it
eyeshadows
right
on
on
my
here.
eyes. Yes. Now I'm
So
gonna
I just
use
need to
this
lightly
gold color
tap this
from her
over
palette,
on
obviously,
top of that
and
dark
I have
member
sprayed my
bead.
MAC
Over
Fix
here,
and I
my
am
brush is no
packing the
longer wet with
color
Fix
on the
Plus, so it is
concealer area
just a
only,
tiny bit
and
of
then I'm
gold
gonna
eyeshadow, just
blend
gonna mesh
this
it
with
all
with
together.
the like out on the junction where the shadow was there and the gold shadow, and so that that area don't look like real weird. So in this area, like I'm just packing and packing a lot of color. Yes, yes, back.
I'm gonna use the pigment in the shade exact same brush. I'm gonna just dab
I'm
this
gonna
right in the
use
inner
this
corner.
Revlon
Oh
green
yes, and I'm just
shade
gonna
because I
slide
don't have that shade
into
obviously.
this
And we're gonna use that
glue,
shade
get a
on
little
the
damp,
inner
and then I'm just
corner,
going to
the eye.
tap wherever
And now
I'm
I'm
going
gonna
to
use
want that
this
glitter to
shimmer. I
sit.
don't have that
Then I'm just
golden
gonna
shimmer,
grab
but
a
I
brush and
had
I'm
this
gonna
shimmer
dust away
like
this
from a long
under eye
time. So
area
it was
so
its
we can
day to
work
use
on
it.
your
And
lash
I'm gonna
line.
take
I'm
off
gonna pick the
all the
shade
Laura Mercier
Enchanted right
powder
here in the bottom center of my
from
palette, which
the
is like this
lower
matte kind of foresty
eye
hunter
area.
green. I'm
Now
gonna
I'm going
use
to
a
use the
Morphe brush again. This is
same
the
brush, and this is
M508
a
because
Sigma
mine doesn't
packing
have like a
brush
really small precise
that
brush
would
like
be
this
in
up
the
here.
description
And then I'm just
bar.
going to press this
And
right here
now
on my
I'm
lower lash
pressing
line and just drag
this
it
in
all the
the
way from the
lower
outer
lash
corner to
line.
the inner corner of my eye.
I don't know what I'm not finding. Yes, I'm packing it from all the way from the outer to the inner corner, as
Right
she
next to
said,
Enchanted, I'm going to grab the shade Diva right here,
next
which
to
is
Enchanted.
one of
And
my
now
favorite
I'm
colors
using
in the
my
palette.
pencil
I say that
brush
pretty much
to
about every
use
single
this
color, and
Diva
I'm just
color,
going to basically go right
and I'm
over
gonna
what
go
we just
over
applied and
this
just blend that
Enchanted
out.
color.
So my lower waterline really
Yes,
quickly with some
now
black liner.
time
This
to
is by
line the
Artist
eyes.
In. It is my
She's really
favorite
quick,
colored
man.
pencil ever.
Even this
So
is
now
the
for bronzer, I'm
Nykaa's
going to be
pencil,
using the
and
Hoola
it is a
bronzer by
good
and just
pencil.
bronze the face.
Time to bronze the
I don't know.
face
I
with the
definitely would
Hoola
like them to be
bronzer
like a
by
little bit heavier
Benefit.
and have a better range of brushes
I'm
on
gonna
this
be
video
heavier
for that
too.
nice.
Yes, yes. Give
Carve
me
that
more
out a little bit
bronzers.
really quick just because
Now
I
time to
don't want
carve.
it to look
Oh, it's like
sloppy. I don't
my
want like
video
a
is
harsh
running.
contour, but I don't need any sloppiness today.
Okay,
Not too
okay.
basic.
We're gonna do
Okay, I'm going
the
to contour
same.
my
Even
nose
we are
now. I'm
not
going to
going
use
for a
the exact same Hoola
slappy.
bronzer, and I'm going to
Nice.
go in with the
Same
Kylie brush
bronzer to
in
carve
number
the
11. It's
nose,
actually a really
contour the
nice brush
nose.
for nose contour.
Let's
I
just see
will
how it
say when I
works for
first saw the
me.
kit, I was like, what am I going to use this brush for? Because it's like a harsh line, so I don't really want to blend with it, but
Okay,
this is
we're
actually
gonna
really
use the same type
close.
of brush. This brush is from Amazon, and this brush has same like carved type
For
of
me, when it comes
appearance.
to getting
So
the best
I
nose
took that
contour, the
brush.
actual contour powder is only the first step. Translucent powder is what
Okay,
really
so we're
transforms
gonna
my
use
actual nose shape
translucent
and gives me
powder
the
too.
best results. So I do the
Okay,
contour powder and then I sculpt
that was a
out the
difficult
side
step
of
to
my
do.
nose
My hands were
with
really
the harsh
shaking, and I
side
thought
of
I
this
did
beauty
a
spot
wrong
just because this is
contour.
dark and it kind of
The line
defeats
was
the purpose
literally
of a nose
curved. It
contour.
was like
And then I put a
not
line
straight in the
right
beginning.
down
Then I
the
somehow
center of
made
my
it
nose as well.
right.
So I'm trying to like talk
Now
and move at the
I'm
same time.
making the
For my
same
cheeks, I'm going to
line
use
which
the
she
MAC
made on the center of
Melba
the
blush.
nose.
I'm going to use the Kylie brush in number 3. This is
Stop! I'm
actually
gonna
a
use the
really,
BH
really
Cosmetic
beautiful
blush
blush
palette and
brush. Like, I
using
only
this
had to
shade
touch my cheeks for a
from the
half a
palette
second,
to
and I actually
have a
really,
blush
I do
on
like
my
this blush brush a
face.
lot.
And this brush is from the Amazon.
Brush that off the side of the
It's
nose.
like it was a
Okay, for
10-piece pack
highlight,
from Amazon, I guess. So you can use this brush. I'm using this pack brush. This is my favorite brush to take off take off or take on the powder on the face.
I'm going to be
So
going
I'm
in
using
with the
this
Makeup
BH
Forever
Cosmetic brush
Stone
to take
palette
off
in number
powder
13.
also.
This is one of my favorite highlights ever. It's so
And I'm
beautiful,
using
especially when
this
I'm really
Laura Mercier
fair. Like, I love
highlighter.
this.
It,
And I'm
it
going to
was
be
a
using
really
the highlight
new
brush
for
in
me.
number
People are
15.
raving about it like
Yes,
from a very
yes,
long time,
yes.
but I didn't
I
owe
don't
it. Okay,
understand
I got the
why. I always
points.
have
But
texture on the right
Jaclyn goes
side of
with
my
a
cheeks. And you know
more of
what's
a
weird?
silver
Is that it
highlighter,
only
so
pops up
this
when I'm
type of
here in
highlighter is
Florida.
like
But as soon
resembling
as
with
I
the look,
travel, it only
so I
takes
went for
24
it.
hours
I
and it
know the
goes away.
highlighter
It's
doesn't look
so
like too much on
weird.
the
I've tried.
skin,
What,
like on the camera,
bitch?
but it was like a real harsh
Okay, so
when
now for the
I
lips, I'm
used
going
it
to be using a
directly.
lip product I
Now
have
for the
not
lips,
yet
I will
tried,
be
and this is the
using
YSL
Maybelline, the
liquid
same lipstick
lipstick,
which I
and it is a
used
bright red.
on
So I
the
thought, why not
on
make
my
this
eye.
extra Christmassy? I typically
Let's
don't
just
do a
see
bold
how it
eye look like
blends
this, like a
out.
bold lip. I would typically just do a nude. And I'm like,
Oh,
why not?
let's just
Oh,
see
this
how
little
it
brush is very
looks.
interesting. Okay.
Okay, we don't have YSL, honey.
This is kind of cool because it's like a liner and a liquid lip all in one because of
I
this
always
little
feel that
precise
everyone
brush. I
has a
haven't
way
seen
of
this wand
applying a
before. It's so
lipstick.
innovative.
Like I apply lipstick on my lower lip first, and
Okay,
then
that
I
applied
like
like a
give
wet
that
dream.
kissing
I
type
did
of
not put
motion to
liner
the
on my
lips
lips today
and
for the
then
first
apply
time.
it. I
Last
don't
but not least, I'm just
know,
going to set
that's
my
a
face by using
wrong
the
type
Morphe
of
Wet and Set
motion.
Makeup Setting Spray.
Like obviously, but it's okay. We're gonna do that. This is this is a step I hate most. I don't
Alrighty,
like
guys.
using setting sprays, but we're gonna do it. Do it. Yes, yes, yes. Just kidding. Let's just do a shower and setting spray, and we are done
This is the
here.
final look from the I followed Jaclyn Hill tutorial look. Yes, I should say that some colors obviously they did not show very well, and the makeup I also tried to follow is a little bit different, but yes, I enjoyed doing it. It's like doing someone else way is so different and so difficult at the same time, but I really enjoyed the video, and I can do someone else following video also if you want me to do. Just you have to just comment down below that which YouTuber you want me to follow or do, so that I can watch her video and then recreate her work into mine. I can club those two things. But this is basically really the look I liked. I didn't get that where she had that brown color on the outer corner, and she didn't use that much browns. Mine is more of a red sort of color, so I didn't get that thing. But yes, the colors are a little bit different because the initial color I used is different. So that's what I came up with. You see it. You can also watch these videos which might be here on your screen, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe down and press that notification bell so that you would be you would be notified every single time I post any video. And until next time, goodbye.